not feeling too bad after the concert last night. A little bit rough, a little bit fibromy, but not too bad. Probably more to do with lack of sleep, probably, I think, than the concert. Because I probably got about 5.5 to 6 hours sleep, which I can manage on. That's not too bad for me. Poor Kevin, he had the roughest none. He was awake when we got home at 12. And every time I woke up during the night to go to the bathroom, or Coda woke up at 4:30 to go to the bathroom, every time I woke up, he was awake. I think he was a watch at night, which tracks his sleep, and it said he got 4 hours sleep. I'm surprised at that, because it didn't seem like he even got that much. I don't know what was going on with him last night. He doesn't know what was going on with him last night either. I remember back a few years ago, he used to take sleeping tablets every night, and he got off them. And for the main part, he's been sleeping pretty decently. He's always tired. He's probably got a bit of chronic fatigue, I'd say. Anyway, yeah, you can probably tell I'm not the greatest. So I was just sitting on the floor with the dogs there, thinking, do I go for a walk? Because of course, if I get up and move around, they go, oh, are we going out? I think no, but it's going to be 26 degrees. So around lunchtime, it's going to be the warmest part of the day. So I think I'll pop them in the pool for a swim then, and they can run around, and then obviously they can have plenty of time to dry off. Oh, they're behind me. I don't know where they've gone now. Anyway, so I think that's what we'll do. And that way, the little bit of energy that I might have, I can get my kitchen cleaned for the weekend. That would be very nice. So that's what we're going to go with. Go and sort myself out some breakfast, because I haven't been having my cookies in the morning or anything like that, so I'm getting a bit hungry now. Dinner last night ended up being some chips on the way home from the concert. Didn't plan that very well at all. I'll go find something for breakfast. Maybe just a veggie patty sandwich or something like that. Just something quick and easy, but yeah, that sounds like a winner. I was just standing there filming. I found my boys, they're just there. Look at them beautiful puppies. You beautiful boys, we're going to have a swim today. It's already pretty warm out. Like, I'll just end up so sweaty. Took on my shoe. He's got the funniest little itchy spot right on the end of his chin. And it usually makes it start to make his leg go, so stood on my shoe. Didn't you? There it go. Oh, it's a little bit inside today. Oh, it's a good one. I have some news for you guys. Don't know whether you'll be surprised or not. Apparently, they're starting the settlements for a new apartment block or apartment building in March. Pushed back again from February. It's now 6 months late. It was originally September, then December, then February, now March, with building A, which is our building, later. So we are out of here mid-February. So we are going to be homeless for a few weeks. I just have to chat with Kevin at what he wants to do for, probably 3+ weeks. Who knows what March, it's going to be more than that, isn't it? If we're later than March, we've still got 3 weeks, like it's the beginning of March, then plus whatever. Could be 4 more weeks after that, I guess, if it's all of March and we're later than March. My goodness. It's not a good time to travel, obviously, because it's very hot in Australia, very cold in the rest of the world. The only place that probably would be a reasonable place to go would be Orlando, but it's too close. It's too much of a last-minute booking to try and get airfares or to try and get flights and things like that. We get a flight, but accommodation and all the rest of it's not really feasible. Plus, we've got the dogs. Mum and Dad will just moved into their place, and we won't have a home for them to come to look after the puppies. So I've still got all my list of Airbnbs that I what's the word? Not collaborated, but collated. I think that's the word I want. Selected, whatever. You guys, I'm sure know what I mean, even if I can't say the right word. I think it's collated. Airbnbs that would take dogs before. So I've just been going through and just seeing what's still around, what's still available for that sort of time period. There's heaps. We'll have no trouble. Just got to decide whether we're going to stay like in Wollongong, so Kevin can go into the office to work, or whether he's happy like he thought before us to do remote work. So then we could maybe travel around, probably not too far from home, but you know, we could go and stay a week or two at different places. And he obviously has 3 days off, so we could have like a little mini holiday every week kind of thing and go and see what's in the area. I think that's what I'd like to do, but it's up to him obviously because he's working. Now I have no confidence in March now. They've lost me. I believed in them when they said February. Oh, you can't win. We can't win. As I said, last time we sold our house, it took us a year. This time it was about a month, I think. And, you know, if we waited to, March or February or whatever, you can guess it would take a lot longer. So I guess at least once we sell, we won't have a mortgage for a little while. So, yeah. Anyway, that's today's news. Not the best. But Kevin, I don't think we'll be surprised because he expected to get pushed back again. I really didn't. Anyway, at least we know now, and we can... I'll probably start to make some bookings, I guess, once we decide what we're going to do, because it's not that far away, is it? What's November now? December, January, February... Well, it's only 3 months away. It's not far at all. We've got our New Zealand trip, and which I'm still really glad we've booked. New Zealand will be the other place to go, but we've got the doggies, so I don't think that's fair. And if it was a cooler time of year, if it was in winter, we could even take the dogs up to Charleville, but I wouldn't take them up there in the summer when the temperature is like 40 degrees. I don't think that's going to be fun for them at all either. They could stay with Thea and Dan, but not at that time of year. It's not good for us to go and visit either. So, again, if we go into April, then yeah, we might make the trip up. That's why I don't think we'll book anything too much. We'll just book a little bit at a time, and then we can see how we're going. But yeah, if we're into April, Charleville or the Snowy Mountains, that would open up a lot more places we could go to. But I think for February, March, early March, near the coast perhaps, are probably the best option. I will keep you guys informed. One day we will get into our new apartment. And I can't wait because this place is such a big one to clean. And we're not allowed to use the pool because the weather's been all over the place. So it's not like we've been taking full advantage of the pool yet because, yeah. Fun times. It's definitely been a very slow morning, which I guess is not totally unexpected. Just bringing some things through to the kitchen. I'm going to pack the dishwasher and I'm going to clean the fridge. That's my starting point today. I don't think there's a lot to throw out in there, but I'll go through it and definitely give the shelves a good clean. They really need that. Hopefully the freezer as well. We'll just work on the fridge to start with and I'll see how I'm going because I am pretty fibro sore. But if I can get that done before Christy does her food prep for today, at least when she puts her things in, her food for the next couple of days, it'll be going into a clean fridge, other than to have to take it back out and put it back in again. So that's where I'm going to start. tired, but I need to get up and clean up this kitchen a bit more before Christy's support worker comes over, and then I'm going to take these puppies for their swim. And so this is the state. This is something funny with this. I need to get Kevin to look at that. So I remember, I'll just put that there. I don't know if I've done something and broken it, whether it's something he can just adjust for me. Oh, the kitchen's not too bad. Dishwasher can't be done because it's not been emptied yet. So I'll just clear off this. I've probably got time. I've got 2 Chobanis that Kevin took to work and then home again. That I'm going to pop into here for puppies. And I might top with a bit of granola, and that uses that up. It's past its best. I've got one in the motorhome too. I've got to get out and notice the date on that was gone. Put my air fryer out and put that in the air fryer. Got bits and pieces everywhere at the moment. Well, not too bad though. It's not as bad as I thought it actually was. Come on, pull the puppies out for this beautiful day, but it's very sunny, so I'm sitting here in the pavilion. Oh, problem is I can't throw very far, so I'm not going very far in the pool. Whereas like when I sit over there like I normally do, it goes at that end of the pool. Yeah, it's a bit of a dangerous spot. Let's sit down there. No, that's a bit too close to the shake zone. I've got to better throw further. They're not going to get much exercise. Oh, they still run around. Come on, Chewy. Come on, bring it. Good boy, Chew. You've got the ball. Bring it. Oh, come on, Pino. Oh my gosh, really? It's there, Coda. He dropped it. There it is behind you, mate. Coda, it's there. Oh my goodness. You see it? Oh my gosh. Chewy sees it. Chewy knows where it went. Nope, Coda got it. That'll just stop. Oh god! The stick attacked you, Chewy. Well, you get that stick. You get it, Chewy. Never seen him take a stick before. Oh, he got attacked by it, didn't he? Why not? Coda, you gonna bring the ball? Come on. The creatures come to town after a swim, but they do. Break finished now, of course. I'll run around the house a second ago. You're crazy boys. Crazy boys. Oh, Chewy's got the ball. I see. Oh, he's giving it to you, Coda. He gave you the ball. Better be in the same place, isn't it? boys. Good, I took the dogs for their swim when they did. Look at it now. Can you hear it? Thunder. I have to go and put Chewy in his thunder vest again. Yeah, it's rainy and dark and very weird afternoon. I mean, it was warm, but it wasn't that warm. I'm sure he's not that be happy. He's upset with Christy at the moment, so I'll probably sit under her desk or something. I've got this little one. And I'm just working on editing a video. I just had my salad for lunch. I'm doing this, and then I might go work on a puzzle for a bit. It's a good afternoon to work on. I don't know if it'll just blow over like I did yesterday. Who knows? Yeah, I thought that window was, that door was closed. Nice and wet now. Look at that, my goodness, you wouldn't think we were out there in the pool. Look how beautiful was it? What, an hour and a half ago? Goodness. Yesterday blew through and then it was not. I think it looked a lot more steady than I did yesterday though. Just so weird when it was so nice. Started on a new jigsaw puzzle. Just working on the border. Good morning everyone. I've just had my shower. Kevin has gone to pick up the groceries, so he should be back very soon. I've got a bit on my list of things to do for the next couple of days. I've been up since about 4:30. I think I'm feeling okay, but we'll see as the day goes on, I guess. I don't feel the most amazing. I'm going to swim the dogs again today because just like trying to work out when to walk them. It's going to be pretty warm again today. I thought I'd take them to the park, but I hadn't had my shower yet, so I thought, Kevin goes and gets the groceries, I'll have my shower and get ready because we are going out tonight up to Sydney again. Kevin and myself are going to Sydney this time. See Tim Minchin. I'm hungry. I am definitely ready for breakfast. I had to kind of do an emergency grocery shop today because we've pretty much ran out of milk. I left enough milk for Kevin to have a tea if he wanted one. I didn't know what time he was going to get up. He only got up 15 minutes ago. So yeah, I'd left a little bit of the soy milk. We've finished off the oat milk and we moved on to the soy milk, which we usually have for Christy. But yeah, I thought we better get an order in, so I did that for 9 o'clock pick up this morning. Anyway, it's a 11:15 already. Kevin's going to possibly have a little nap and I'm going to deal with all this food behind me. Get that done. I've got a bit of a list of things I think I already said to do, so just little bits and pieces, but yeah, I'll start by, got some things to refill, put in containers, some things to wash, some things to chop, a bit of washing up to do as well, so I'll get all that done, and then and that's one thing done, and we can move on to the next thing. a new doggy door and we're trying to teach them to use it. Come on, go in and get the cheese. They just seem to need a little bit of a... Come on, there you go. Oh. Chew, you gotta go in. Look, there's yours. Go, Chew. Chewy.
Chewy. Jeez. Coda wants it. Coda wants it.
Oh, in you go. Come on, Pop. Come on, Coda, get it. Come on.
Now.
Good boy, Chewy. Coda can make me out. I've got some more.
Good boy, Coda. Coda.
Good boy.
Coda.
Come on, look. Go. Oh, it's supposed to go through. Coda. Oh, are you Coda? Are you here? Go, you get out this time, Coda. But you've been out here doing all these tricks for me, trying to get more cheese, haven't you? You've been doing all your tricks. He's worked it out. Come on, in you go. Coda, not quite yet. Come on, in you go, Chew. In you go. In you go. Good boy. Someone knows how to do it very well.
Chewy's a smarty, isn't Chewy?
Yes. The dogs are both still. Of course, Coda has to ruin it. Keep they're waiting for their woofers that they get at night time, a little biscuit they get when they come up to bed. That's so funny. Oh, Kevin and I are on our way up to Sydney.
I'm here too.
They can see each other. So yeah, we're heading up now. That's a bit later than what we planned. I don't know, the day just sort of got away. Kevin wasn't feeling good, and then we were doing training with the dogs, with the doggy door.
I had to pick up groceries.
What's this morning?
Yes, that's my day. And then I
We went to go to the
doggy
chemist.
door.
Yeah, put the doggy door in. You went to the chemist.
Yeah.
Kevin had the kind of easy jobs today.
Have these people seen the doggy door? They would have seen
Yeah,
the puppies
I was showing
practicing.
the dogs.
Kenai's worked it out. Coda's a bit special.
Yeah. So anyway, we've got to drive an hour drive. I just booked somewhere for dinner.
You said dinner for two. That sounds better than booking somewhere for dinner. Oh my god, how fast do you want to go, dude? Wow.
You can't go anywhere anyway. There's a bit of a traffic situation on the expressway. There's probably no one behind us, but a bit of traffic up in front.
I had the cruise control set on maximum, so it's just
It does
doing
look
the drive.
weird. Yeah, I was going to say it looks weird.
I can look at the screen, but I try and look at the road. You can't quite. You can trust it 99.9% of the time. The worst thing it ever does is it sees an exit or something, and it'll have a 60 sign on the exit in kilometres per hour, and we're sitting on 115 at the moment, and it'll see the 60 sign and go, "Oh my God, it's 60!" and slow right down in the middle of nothing. So I have to take over occasionally.
For any of you who don't know, Kevin is driving a Tesla. You probably guessed that, I guess.
It's pretty good. It's 99% of the time it's great, and I use it every day. And it's awesome in traffic because you just set it in traffic and you can play with your phone and all readable.
Anyway, I don't think I said we're going up to see Tim Minchin tonight. It's supposed to be his unfunny shows. I don't quite know what that means.
And we have dinner for two.
Yes,
that sounds nice. Dinner for two.
Okay.
That sounds like we're going out on a date night.
Well, it's called a restaurant, but in the reviews people call it a cafe. I think it's more cafe-like. It's got a pretty more cafe menu.
Still
but
sounds nice.
I thought it's better than running around trying to find somewhere up in Sydney, and I think we're a bit tight on time, and it said it had quick service. So.
We're a bit tight on money.
And we want to go to Haig's Chocolates beforehand. Have a look at the chocolates.
And I had to talk to the bank today. To ask for more money.
Okay. Anyway,
That's very sad.
we'll see you up in Sydney. drive to the QVB. It's the bottom of it. Yeah, it's part of it. The bottom of it. Scooby. Oh, the decorations already. I'm obviously decorated already. I've got lots of chocolate for Christmas advent calendars and for stockings and for Mr. Whitnell.
For me?
It's good for you. Like this old lift.
I pressed it.
You did. Coffee code. Oh, that's right there. I don't think we needed a booking. I don't think we needed a booking, but we've had a booking anyway. So this is Cellini's, I guess. I feel like I've been here before. I think it might have been something else when we were here. I feel like we've had a fancy tea here, unless that was a different floor. Anyway, where's the food? Found it. Sweets inside and more cakes there. We're sitting inside. Yeah, it must be an exciting date.
You've got your phone out. That's exactly what you're doing, and you were just filming.
I'm not doing what you're doing.
You were looking the other way with your phone, and I got in trouble for looking at my phone. Yours has been on the table the whole time. Mine was in my pocket.
I've only filmed with my phone. So I got the vegetable linguine, and Kevin got a chicken and mushroom crepe, which is very Kevin. And you probably haven't had one of them for a long time.
Nice.
That remains of my dinner. It was really lovely. I'm just very full now. So I've eaten, as you can see, all the pasta and some of the vegetables. I think Kevin enjoyed his.
Yummy.
That was good.
Didn't have much of the salad.
No, well, again, you filled up on your stuff. Yeah, it was really good.
I might eat
good
some
meal.
of the salad.
I did eat some of my vegetables.
I had salad for lunch.
I did have salad for lunch. You had mostly mango. You had 2 mangoes in your salad.
Oh, that's nice. It's got a nice dressing, right?
That's good. Yeah, successful dinner. Looking down. I'll walk up there and show you the Christmas tree. Well, a few little places still open for dinner. I haven't tried to be nice. He bought me 2 vegan cookies, but I've had them before and I don't like them.
Well, I bought one each.
Oh, well, you might like it maybe. I just wasn't a fan. Yeah, it's busy, isn't it? This thing does like a little story thing. Fun? The little Ugg bags. Wow, it's cute, but we don't need things made from skin.
The puppies are like.
Nice little Christmas shop. And here's the top of the Christmas tree. There is a middle section as well. Beautiful building though. So this is the Queen Victoria building,
We
but
had to open it in 2085.
it was renovated in, what did we say, 86. I remember it being opened up then. There's a letter from Queen Elizabeth
We had to open it on a day that's suitable in 2085.
Oh, okay, that's funny. Wonder why that.
It's a secret.
Oh, it was 86 that it was sort of...
Yeah, 100 years
Although it
after
was
the
placed.
renovation.
Another beautiful stained glass.
People there.
Where's the travelator? There's no travelator here. Oh, there's stairs on the other side. And then there's
Stairs on it. It's only one flight.
Look at a little staircase. How groovy is that? there's a middle section of the tree. Yeah, there's escalators on the other side, I think.
Initially it was just only dub. And I was like,
Yeah. It's a beautiful building. Pianos. Oh, there's a tram. I forget we have trams in the city because I've never used them. Now back at the bottom of the tree again. You're being naughty, Mr. Whitnell.